Hey everyone, it is Tuesday, February 25th. I'm about to go see my orthodontist now to get my fourth update on braces. So I wanted to show you guys what my teeth currently look as of right now. So that is how my teeth currently look like. There has been major changes since like the second update. I'm planning on changing my bands to purple, but we'll see how I feel when I get there. I'm not sure what they're gonna do today. Hopefully I get wires on the bottom row. My wisdom teeth are coming in, so I have to ask whether or not it is going to affect anything. So yeah, I will catch you guys up later after I go see my orthodontist. Okay, it's been officially 12 hours since my last update when I was getting ready to go to see my orthodontist. And now I have my color changed and new updates too. I'll show you guys. I did change my color to purple. They still haven't put wires on the bottom yet. My orthodontist wanted to, but the gap is like, this is a tiny bit more, so he wants to close the gap a little tighter before he puts the wires in. So I will have the wires, my bottom wires, next month at the end of March. With my wisdom teeth, it's not gonna affect my teeth because by the time it hurts, I'm just gonna have to take it out. But so far, so good. No pain yet. I am due for a cleaning, so I will have my teeth cleaned next month with my 5th update. And I wanted to show you guys the little tiny bit of change that I noticed today. So my orthodontist actually took this power chain from 5 knots to 3 so it could pull in a little bit more. But at first they were just going to keep a blue power chain, but his assistant broke it. So they just changed it to purple. And hopefully by next month it is where it needs to be. And I do have my cleaning next month, so my cleaning and then my braces afterwards. So that is something I'm looking forward to, because yes, I have my braces hygiene down. I know what to do to keep my teeth clean, but of course you could clean it only to a certain extent. It's not clean like how it would be from an orthodontist or the dentist, going to the dentist. So far so good. No pain or aches or anything. I haven't experienced any aches or a lot of movement. I mean, it's only been 12 hours. I don't know how tomorrow morning is going to be like. This tooth, my wisdom tooth right here, is coming in. It's kind of like peeking out. I can feel it. So maybe if it continues within the next year or so, maybe, I don't know, I'm just gonna have to take it out because my wisdom teeth is growing like in the most weirdest way possible. So yeah, I'll update you guys later on that, hopefully tomorrow morning, if there's any difference in my teeth, because I don't want it to be repetitive. So yeah, I'll catch you guys up later and have a good night. Hey everyone, it has officially been over a week since I got my braces updated. I got it on my braces updated February 25th, and today is March 7th. So I wanted to update you guys on the movements that has happened in my teeth, show you the progress, as well as the comfort level of my teeth. So I wanted to show you the changes of my teeth and how it looks like right now. As you guys can see, this gap right here is not far from closing. I mean, there's only a tad bit left of space before it obviously is closed. At the end of this month, I will have to go get my teeth cleaned by my dentist, and I will officially get wires on the bottom. So as of now, there is a bit of discomfort. There wasn't a lot of discomfort, but for the past 2-3 days, I've noticed how my jaw at nighttime, both my jaws will kind of like, what's the word? They kind of just hang onto each other. They grip onto each other real tight, and it's kind of painful in the morning. But overall, it isn't bad. When I eat, I do have to switch sides because it's sore now on this side, and it's a little bit sore on this side, so I have to switch constantly back and forth because of how sore it is. But nothing too bad. So I just wanted to update you guys on my braces. Has been over the past week. There has been quite a bit of change. Of course, my mouth is a lot more sore, but overall, it's not bad. It doesn't hurt. No painkillers needed. But I do have a little bit trouble eating, and food is constantly stuck on this side, in the hole right here, and out here. So that's what I've been currently dealing with the past week. Excuse the fact that I look like a hot mess right now. I wanted to show you guys how I clean and brush my teeth with braces on. I only have my top wires on right now. I will get my bottom wires next week, so I'll update you guys later as my braces cleaning hygiene routine changes. But this is so far what I use and how I clean my teeth. These packers, I bought a bunch of these on Amazon, and this is the number one thing I use to clean my teeth when I'm out and about, and when at night before I go to sleep. I use these, and I also use these. These are the Oral-B flosses for braces, and then I also use the Dentek. These are the Easy Brush, and they're like toothpicks. They go in between your braces very easily. And I use my water flosser, and this one is the one that you need to plug it in, and it's just in one spot. I also have a portable one that I bring with me, and mouthwash. So I'm just gonna show you guys the toothbrush I use. I use this one by Colgate, and it's just a small bristle kind, and I use a Sensodyne Complete Protection toothpaste. I use this one and another one, I forgot the name of it. It's a Crest charcoal one. It's to help brighten your smile and make your teeth a bit whiter. I'll link down all my products in the description box below if you guys want to check it out. I just rinse my toothbrush, put a little bit on, and just run this much and brush. I always brush my teeth for around 2 to 3 minutes depending on what I eat and how dirty I feel my teeth are. 2 minutes minimum, and I usually add another minute if I need to. Then I go in with this, and I put a bit of toothpaste on it, and I go in between my teeth to help prevent the yellowing and any plaque that I still need to remove that the toothbrush didn't. If I can open it here. Okay. I bought the tight kind just so it's easier to go into each and every single one of my tooth. I just go in like this. Takes quite a bit. Rinse it and go in between each and every single one of my teeth. There's always a cap, so it is reusable. You can use it 2 to 3 times. If you use a cap, just throw it away because you don't know where this has touched, and of course you don't want to put bacteria in your body, and especially with the coronavirus going around right now, you definitely want to make sure you sanitize all your materials before it enters your mouth. So I washed it already, put the cap on, and I can reuse it another 2 to 3 times. Of course, flossing is very important. It's more regardless whether or not you have braces, so make sure you floss. If you're too lazy to floss with these, get yourself this. I mean, this is really easy. This takes a bit more time, but I want to show you guys how I floss anyways. This is the floss that I use, and it has a hard tip that you could really easily maneuver throughout your teeth. It has this thick part, and then the floss is pretty darn easy, if you ask me. You stick it there, just like that. As you see, it's in, and then just hot. And do that with each and every single one of your teeth. Okay, and the plackers, this is very easy as well because, as you see, the two sides are very different. One is a thinner and one is a thicker side. So it's really easy to just go in right here and hot. Of course, the water flosser is very good to use. I use it at night and in the morning after I eat breakfast. I use a portable one, which I will link down in the description box below. Then, mouthwash. This helps prevent plaque from sticking to your teeth. And as you see, it says here, 2 times daily braces care, and it helps with white spots and freshens your breath and all that stuff. So just fill it to the line according to this cup and rinse. After that, you should be good to go. Your teeth should be feeling good, clean, your mouth should be fresh, and you should be good for the rest of the day or for however long until your next teeth brushing. If you guys like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this. This channel is all about positivity, building yourself up, as well as our vlogs on braces, college, and all that good stuff. I'll link some videos that I've done with my braces down in the description box if you guys want to check it out. Also, before I say bye to you guys, I just want to wish you guys the best of luck during this time. As you all know, the coronavirus has spread globally and hit a lot of us really, really hard. Please be safe, healthy, And please, please, please sanitize and clean after yourself as well as your loved ones. Please remind your loved ones every single day that you love them, because you never know what's going to happen. Please do not go out to the grocery store and buy the whole grocery store. Please leave some for your neighbors, because your neighbors need some too. I mean, if your neighbors aren't healthy, there's a good chance you won't be either. So please, please, please watch out for yourself, watch out for your neighbors and your loved ones. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Be yourself and stay beautiful. Bye.